Adjusting the ESHB erector is fast and easy. First, make sure the machine is fully stopped and not running. Adjust the forming arm height to match your box. Adjust both of the adjustment wheels to match your box. Adjust the front kicker arm to the correct alignment setting of your box. Adjust the carton guides to match your box. Finish adjusting both of the adjustment wheels to match your box. Put cartons into the hopper with the long edge of the box towards machine. The bottom of box should be on the right-hand side. That will be the part that gets taped. And just like that, you're done. If you have any questions, please reach out to a BestPack representative or certified sales distributor. For videos, brochures, documents, and lots more resources, please visit our website at www.bestpack.com.